Hi, I'm Scarlet Millward, I'm 18, I'm from Cwmbran and I'm studying level 4 specialist makeup. I had a massive passion for makeup, I've always loved makeup. My mum was actually a professional face painter for 10 years, so I'm pretty sure that's what started me off. And I just decided that I wanted to follow my passion for makeup as a career. Level 4 is all about basically developing the skills that you've already learned in the previous years here and catering them towards the industry. There's not many places in South Wales that do cater to this course, so staying in the same education place that I did the first 2 levels just made sense, especially because some of the tutors we've seen in previous years, and I know that their support is amazing, and I've basically grown a really good professional relationship with them. Well, the facilities here are amazing. We've got so much equipment here that I never would have thought of using, and our tutors are just so filled with knowledge. They really make sure that they're passing that on and that you understand everything fully. It just instills you with so much confidence and knowledge and how you apply those practical skills. And yeah, just any budding makeup artist out there who's even considering any part of the industry, whether it's fashion, whether it's theatre, whether it's TV and film, you will definitely learn all the skills to go into those industries if so fit. I'm really glad that I made the decision to come back and study the HNC this year.